Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add songs to your playlist on the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And now if you have found a song in this application that you would like to add to a playlist that you have created, you should find that song first by tapping on the search icon down below, which is the second option, and then type in the name of the song that you would like to add to your playlist. You can either search for the artist itself and then select that song that you would like to add to your list. So click on the three dots icon next to its title and then press the button add to playlist. And now you should select which of your playlists you would like to add this song to. So click on the relevant one, and now as you can see you have added this song to your selected playlist, so it will appear here. If you want to remove it, all you have to do is clicking on the three dots icon again and press the second button remove from this playlist. So now it has been removed. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.